Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. Featuring in this video are two holographic Chameleon magnetic cat eye gel polishes that Born Pretty have very kindly sent to me for review. You can find all the information on these along with my 10% discount code in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on. And please also like this video. These really help out my channel. Thank you. There are 5 colours in this range, and the two I have are BP02 Forever Young and BP03 Pillars of Eternity. They are really stunning gel polishes and they are my first magnetic gel polishes. They are, however, quite thick, but they are easy to use. But one thing I will say, I can't really see the holographic side to them, even when they are finished. So of course, you're going to need a magnet, and they come in all shapes and sizes. The gel polishes didn't come with a magnet, and I have just purchased these over time from eBay. Some even have 2 ends. The magnetic that hasn't got a holder is the strongest out of them all, and the pen that I've got, even though it is super pretty, it doesn't seem to work very well with these gel polishes. I have got it to work with others, but not with these. You'll need to have a black base, so I've got some pop sticks with 2 coats of black gel polish cured, and they still have the tacky layers on them. And I've used the Your Sugar black gel polish number 666, and the 2 magnets on the table are the ones that I'm going to use in this video. I'll start with BP02 Forever Young, and I'm just going to apply a nice layer of the magnetic gel polish to the black pop stick, making sure it's fully covered and even. I have to say, I really like the polish before the magnet. It would make a stunning base polish. I'm going to use the double-ended one first and use the small end, and I'll just hold the magnet just above the gel polish. You only want it just above it, and I'm going to hold for 5 to 10 seconds, and when you're happy with the effect, just cure in your lamp. Now, I cured this for 30 seconds and it was fully cured. I use a 48 watt UV and LED lamp. But I have to say, I love watching the effect coming into shape with using the smaller ones. It is so pretty to watch. So while that one's curing, I'll move on to the second effect, still using BP02, and I'm just going to apply a layer like I did before. But this time I'm going to use the strong magnet and make a line straight across the nail. And again, just holding it slightly above the nail. Having never worked with magnetic gel polishes before, these work really well. They are super effective. I have worked with the pigments and I didn't get on very well with these, but these are amazing. So once I've held the magnet above for a few seconds, I'll again be ready to cure and bring the first one out, which has cured brilliantly. I'm still not seeing the hollow. There's definitely the Chameleon side is there. So I'm going to use the Born Pretty No Wipe Top Coat to complete these pop sticks. I do think that my favourite effect out of the 2 is the small double-ended one. And here they are together and they just look amazing. I'll now apply a layer of the No Wipe Top Coat and I'll cure for 60 seconds. I am sort of sitting here wondering what they would look like over lighter colours. I don't know, I sort of see that I want to have a play around with sort of slightly lighter colours. So here are the swatches from BP02 Forever Young, completely finished. They are just so pretty. And I'll now move on to BP03. I'm just going to repeat the same again. So I am going to say that these 2 gel polishes, they do look very similar in colour when on the nail and even when in the bottle. So I'll also be using the small end again, just like before, holding it above. Now I'm not really happy with how this look I've created is. So I'm going to make a new effect with the brush, and I'll just wipe off all of the excess off of the brush, and then I'll just go over the nail again, sort of smoothing it all out, and then I'll come in with the magnet again, and I'll just create another look, which I will say that I am much happier with, and then I'll just cure that for 30 seconds. So even if the effect that you don't like, you can just get rid of it and start again before you cure it. I'll just repeat the second effect on the last pop stick, but I have to say I'm also very interested in the other 3 of these magnetic Chameleon gel polishes. I do think they look really pretty, and they are quite different in colour effects to these 2. They're also much easier to work with than the magnetic powders that are on the market. They to me seem like an epic fail, but the gel polishes, you can't go wrong with them. They're so easy to use. And here they are together. My favourite is definitely the small double-ended one. I'll now apply a layer of the Born Pretty No Wipe top coat to each of the nail pops, and again I'll cure in my lamp for 60 seconds. And then here they are all together. Hopefully you can see the difference between the 2. I will have some pictures up on my Instagram page, which you can find a link for in the description box below in the next few days. I always post pictures from my videos 1 to 2 days after the video has gone live. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these Born Pretty Holographic Chameleon magnetic gel polishes that were very kindly sent to me for review. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you guys. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.